Hi, I'm Jessie, and I'm from the United States of America. I've been teaching math for 7 years officially, but involved in math tutoring and help long before that. When I originally started college, I just kept taking math classes because I enjoyed it. But then I didn't ever realize how much I would love being a math teacher. There are three main reasons I love teaching math. They are being able to watch students be creative, watching students grow, and watching students learn how to use logic. So in math, one thing that's spectacular about it is it's unending. Math is infinite. There are so many different directions that one can take in mathematics. And even in our typical secondary or high school level math classes, most of the time there are many ways to do one single problem. And so I love watching students be able to use their own creativity to go about these problems. And when they see that the person next to them got the same answer, but in a different way, many times students are excited about that, and it just kind of gives them more motivation to go about more problems. So I love watching students be creative in the classroom. I also love to watch students grow. And usually this is academically, but I have so many students that come to my class with what I call math trauma. So they mentally don't even want to engage in the material because they feel like they're inadequate. But usually this is because there's a hole in their math learning, maybe from a past school that they went to, or just zoning out with a past teacher, or whatever the problem is. And so we also get to watch students grow mentally, emotionally in mathematics as well, and that's really, really fun for me. One of my favorite things is to be able to just watch a student work and then notice where those holes are, those learning holes from the past, and then we can just, sew it back up together, go through a specific short lesson that engages them from something from the past that they've missed, and then they can use that now as a tool for the math they're currently learning and will learn in the future. And so many times I've gotten to see students grow enormously, not only in their math ability, but in their thinking like a mathematician and their problem solving skills. Because once they get over the barrier of I'm not able to do it, then they have the whole math world open to them again. And lastly, I love teaching math because I love watching when students learn to use their own logic. So some of my favorite examples of this are when we're looking at projectiles and quadratic functions, and students get two answers because it's a quadratic, but one gives them like negative time and the other gives them a positive time, and they put both. And then I, as a teacher, have to walk through, like, does it make sense that the rocket would land before it actually took off? And so students have to start thinking like, oh, does my answer make sense? And now they're starting to use logic in math, and that helps them to be more creative and also to grow in their math journey. So I love just teaching math because I get to see these three things: that students get to be creative, that they get to grow, and that they get to use their logic. So thank you for your time.